Hello, nice to meet you. This is from Kyrgyzstan Taxian. Okay, now I will introduce you this pair of shoes which called Athletic Air Jordan 11 Retro Snails Game. Okay, let me show you the box. This is the size tag. Okay. If you buy our shoes from our website, we will give you a brand name and OG box, so don't worry. Okay, let me show you these shoes. This is the German logo, which is here at the back and also the bottom. At the back, which write 23 letter, and at the bottom you can see the icy blue, and at this part which is really yellow, light yellow. So it matches with the green. It's very looks very cool. Okay. So you can hear the couple plant. Okay, so why it's called a snake skin? So it's the surface is look like a snake skin. So that's why the name come from. Okay, and if you touch this, it is very comfortable. Okay, and then let's just show you this inside part. And okay, also the size tag. So this is 11 size. Okay. So, if you want to know more about athletic Adidas shoes, you can go to our website www.kyrgyzstan.cn. Okay, if you have any problem, you can Skype or WhatsApp me. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye bye.